I keep wipes in my car because I go to a lot of different places for work. And if I'm going to have a snack or if I pump gas, I will wipe my hands after I pump the gas, before I have a snack, etc. So when I do this, I also wipe down my steering wheel and my gear shift. And I do this out of habit several times a week. And lately, when I wipe down my steering wheel, this turns black. Or at least it gets very dirty. What is this? I've been doing this for years. Why? What is coming into my car? Where is it coming from? And what am I breathing in? My hands aren't dirty from today. I just left my house. I went into the dollar store to pick up a can of soda. So I opened the cooler and then I handled some money. What is that?